Hi, you're welcome back. This is the continuation of our training on standard bidding document in procurement management for works. The title of this lesson is Bid Data Sheet. In our previous training, we talked about instructions to bidders, and we said that instructions to bidders is a standard employer-specific text that lays down standard rules governing works contract. It talks about how bids must be prepared and the deadline for submission of bids. Bid data sheet is a table that the employer needs to fill with specific information that supplements the respective clauses of the instructions to bidders as relevant to the particular procurement package. The bid data sheet provides specific data and information applicable to the particular procurement package, like the legal name of the employer, the identification number of procurement package and its short description. It talks about whether the procurement package is subdivided into lots. You will also find information relating to the site location of the project. You will see information relating to whether electronic bids are allowed, whether joint ventures of bidders are allowed, and the maximum number of joint venture partners. It talks about the sites where you can find a list of debarred firms. It talks about whether the competition is open to only pre-qualified bidders. You can also find information relating to the employer's address for clarifications to bidding documents. You will find information relating to the date, time, and place for pre-bid conference. You find information about language to be used in bid preparation and number of original copies and the address for submission of this bid. It talks about any additional document that bidder must include in their bid. Document like code of conduct for contractors personnel is important. You will see document like management strategies and implementation plans that the contractor will adhere to for mitigation of on-site environmental and social risks. Document like safety and health prevention and reporting plans. It talks about whether alternative times for completion or alternative technical solutions are allowed. You will find information about whether bid prices are fixed or subject to adjustment. Bid data sheets also expose more information about bid currency options. In large works with FIDIC conditions of contracts, bidders may quote option A. Bidders may quote its bid price in local currency with percentages in the allowed foreign currencies to be indicated in the appendix to the bid. Option B. The bidder may quote in local currency for input to be bought by the bidder from the local market and in the allowed foreign currencies, up to 3 foreign currencies, for its input to be secured from outside of the employer's country. In small works, option B above is commonly used. You can also find information relating to the bid validity period in bid data sheet. You find information relating to the amount of bid security per lot and its form, if required, and whether bid securing declaration is acceptable or not. You find information relating to the type of legal document that must be included in the bid to authorize the signing power of the bidder's representative. You find information relating to the submission and opening dates, time and place, and the procedure for submission of e-bids. You find information relating to the currency and the date of the exchange rate that will be used for conversion and comparison of bidders' prices. You get information relating to the exact bid evaluation criteria that will be applied as stipulated in section 3. Again, you will get information relating to whether domestic preference will be applied or not and its value. You will get information relating to whether the employer intends to execute any part of the works by nominated subcontractors. You will get information relating to the maximum percentage, that is in case of pre-qualification, the maximum percentage of subcontracting that is permitted either as percentage of the total contract amount or as percentage of the volume of work. And in case of post-qualification, the maximum percentage of subcontracting that is permitted either as percentage of the total contract amount or as percentage of the volume of work that is performed. You will also get information relating to the procedures and address for making a procurement-related complaint. You will get information relating to if the successful bidder shall be required to submit an environmental and social performance security. All these are information you will find in bid data sheet. We said bid data sheet is an offshoot of instructions to bidders. And we said instructions to bidders is a standard text that lays out the standard rules governing works contract, how bids must be prepared, and deadline for submission of bid. In summary, standard bidding document is a comprehensive set of papers issued by the employer or the purchaser to invite bids for construction projects, goods, or services to ensure competitive and transparent selection process. Tender documents include invitation for tender, instructions to tenderers, special instructions to tenderers, general conditions of contract, special conditions of contract, standard contract and tender forms, bill of quantities, and specifications and drawings. Thank you for watching. See you in our next training. Our next training, we're going to talk about price adjustment procedure in small and large works.